Hello, my name is Hannah Wiesner, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the website iPicky to edit a photo. First, you type it into the search bar, and then you select the first website that comes up. You're going to have three options. You can edit a photo, make a collage, or create a design. We're going to edit a photo. So as it loads, we're going to wait for it to load, and then you go to the top of the page where it says Open, and you can open your own picture from your computer. Today we're going to be editing this picture of me from about 2003 when I was a scarecrow on Halloween. So the first thing I want to do is crop the picture. Cropping the picture helps eliminate all the extra stuff going on in the background and helps focus on the subject of the photo. So by dragging these boxes around, we can get where we need to be in the photo. Once you're happy with how it is, you press Apply, and then you're done. Next, we're going to resize the image. To make the image a little smaller, you press Width and you go down a few notches. This will make it a smaller size picture when it's saved. Plus Apply again. Then we're going to use the exposure to play with the colors a little bit on the picture. So highlights, you can make super bright. Shadows, I'll make it super dark. But for this one, we're just going to play with the highlights a little bit so that you can see my face better in the picture. Finally, we're going to go to Vibrance, and you can increase the strength a little bit to give it more color and saturation. Speaking of saturation, next we're going to go to Hue and Saturation, and you can make it completely black and white or an extreme amount of color, but a solid right in the middle is good. So I'm just going to go about 2 notches up from what it was before. Then you're going to apply that. Next, we're going to go to Borders. So you can give it a basic border like this, different thicknesses, colors, and different heights. Or you can use something more interesting like a frame that has different colors called the glossy frame. You can do a vigilante effect, which will give it a darker effect around the corners, and that's what we're going to use for this picture. So press Apply, and you can, this is basically, this is a good edited picture. You don't have to do any more. But if you wanted to add more things to it, you could do something like an effect on the background of the picture. So you could do paper, which is kind of intense. So is a grunge edit or a fabric. But what we're going to do is just go to Light Leaks and do a very laid back, faded light leak picture. So it looks like that. So then we press Apply again, and there it is. So there's a really big edit on this picture, which is kind of intense, but that's what we were looking for, just to kind of see what the different options we have on this website are. So once you're happy with your picture, you press Save, and you save it to your computer. Save it as a JPEG, and there you have it. Thank you.